Let me guess, you're listening to this podcast while doing 17 other things. Maybe you're folding laundry or sitting in a parking lot between meetings, or even hiding in your car eating lunch because it's the only quiet moment you'll get today. And you're thinking, I want to build something, but when? Friend, I get it, and today I'm showing you how. Are you wanting to scale your business with digital products? I'm Becky Beach, and I've grown $1 million digital product empire that earns me passive income while I sleep, eat, and play. Join me each week as we grow our digital product businesses together. This is the Becky Beach Show. Hey, welcome back to the Becky Beach Show. I'm Becky Beach, and today's episode is all about how I built my $1 million digital product empire without burnout. And when I say empire, I don't mean the hustle, porn, sleep while you're dead nonsense. I mean a business that operates while you're making dinner, or wiping sticky toddler hands off the couch, or even just being human who needs to exist. Because here's the thing, if your business only works when you're glued to your phone, that's not freedom. That's a fancy job with a boss named you. And honestly, you're kind of a terrible boss. So stick with me today because I'm walking you through how I built a digital product business with over 1,500 products across BeckyBeach.ai, shop.mombeach.com, plrbeach.com, Etsy, Redbubble, and Teachers Pay Teachers. And how I did it while working 60-hour weeks as a lead UX product designer. And yes, while raising my boy Brian, who does not care about my content calendar, by the way. And then how AI and systems helped me go from about $20,000 a month to $80,000 through $100,000 a month without posting 11 billion times a day. We're keeping it simple, practical, and doable. Let's go. The lie that makes people quit. Okay, first things first. Let's call out the big fat lie that's keeping you stuck. If you want big results, you have to work big hours forever. Nope, hard pass. Working hard in a season, sure, I get it. Sometimes you're in build mode, but building a business where grinding is the only strategy, that's how you end up exhausted, resentful, and scrolling Instagram at 11 p.m. wondering how everyone else has figured it out while you're barely holding it together. Here's the reframe that changed everything for me. You don't need more hours, you need better leverage. And leverage comes from digital products, systems, automation, and now, thanks to AI, a whole new level of speed that feels honestly like cheating, but in a good way. Because if you can create something once and sell it forever, that's the game, friend. How I started was zero extra time. Let me take you back. When I started my digital products business, I was working 60-hour weeks as a lead UX product designer. Long days, big mental load, a lot of responsibility. And then I had Brian. And if you're thinking, I don't have time, friend, I get it. I didn't have time either. I had 25-minute time blocks using the Pomodoro technique. I worked on my digital product business in the morning before anyone else was awake, on my lunch hour, glamorous I know, before bed when my brain was basically mush, and yes, even on the weekends. Not because I'm some superhero and productivity robot, but because I was building my exit plan. And here's something I really want you to hear. You don't need a perfect schedule. You need a repeatable one. Even 25 minutes a day adds up fast when it's consistent. Tiny steps compound. It's not sexy, but it works. Why digital products are the best busy life business model. Let's talk about why digital products are such a good fit, especially if you're a busy human who doesn't have time to pack boxes or answer customer service emails about shipping delays. Digital products don't require inventory cluttering up your house. They don't require shipping. They can be sold while you sleep and let you build a catalog of assets that compound over time. And that compounding thing, that's the secret sauce, because most people think it's one product about going viral. But for me, it was about building an ecosystem. Over time, that became 1,500 plus products across my websites. The more doors you have in your stores, different types of products for different needs, the more people find something that actually fits them. Then AI showed up and changed everything. Back in 2022, when AI hit the scene with ChatGPT, I started playing around with it to create digital products. And at first, I was just curious, what the hell can this thing actually do? And then I realized something. AI wasn't replacing my creativity. It was multiplying it. It helped me create digital products faster. Things like workbooks, planners, journals, clip art, stickers, Canva templates, prompts, printables, educational resources. And here's the big one. AI helped me build more revenue streams by extending my catalog with different product types, so I can serve more people with what they actually want. Because not everyone wants the same format, right? Some people want a workbook. Some people want a planner. Some people want quick stickers. Some people want classroom resources. Some want clip art. And when your stores have more variety, you reach more people, you help more people, you sell more consistently. Before AI, I was earning about $20,000 a month. After I integrated AI into product creation in my systems, I scaled to 80 through 100,000 a month for my digital products business and my businessbeachclub.com membership. Not because AI is magic, but because it gave me leverage. It made the create part faster and helped me build a business that doesn't require me to manually push every button every single day. The real secret is systems, not motivation. Okay, this is the part people skip. They think the key is post more, try harder, be more consistent. But here's the thing, you're gonna be tired. So instead of relying on motivation, which is basically a flaky friend who shows up when she feels like it, I built systems that promote my products 24/7. Here are a few tools I use. Opus Clip to turn my longer videos into short form clips quickly. Make for AI agents and automations. MiniChat to automate DMs and lead capture. And Go High Level to connect everything and run my customer journey systems. Let me highlight Go High Level for a second because this has been a game changer. I built an AI support bot inside my system that helps customers get answers fast at BeckyBeach.ai. So I'm not answering the same questions all the time like some human FAQ page. And beyond support, I use Go High Level to run automations with AI, like delivering freebies automatically, tagging and segmenting leads, sending follow-up sequences, triggering workflows based on what someone clicks or buys, keeping customers supported without me being on 24/7. Friend, that's how you prevent burnout. Not by pushing harder, but by building a machine that supports you. Behind the scenes, what my weekly schedule actually looks like. Let me give you a quick behind the scenes because I think people imagine I had this perfectly curated aesthetic schedule. I did not. I had a real schedule, the kind that fits around work, life, and a baby who does not care about your content calendar. Here's what my week looked like when I was working those 6-hour weeks and growing this on the side. On Monday, I created Drafts Day. I use AI to generate first drafts fast, outlines for workbooks, journal prompts, planner ideas, product tiles, listing descriptions, all the raw material. Not to publish instantly, just to kill the blank page. Tuesday was Make It Pretty, Make It Mine Day. This is where I edit. I add my voice, fix the flow, make it better. Then I format it in Canva or my tool of choice and make it look like a real product someone would actually pay for. Wednesday was Listing and SEO Day. I'd list products in one place: Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, or my store. Strong title, clear benefits, mock-ups, keywords, and a description that actually helps people understand what they're buying. Because your products can be amazing, but if your listing is confusing, people won't buy. Thursday is Promotion Systems Day, not Post Nonstop Day. It's Systems Day. This is where I record one video, let Opus Clip turn into multiple short clips. You can go to CoachBeckyBeach.com/Opus Clip to try it free. I would queue content and connect automation so that leads didn't fall through the cracks. Friday is Review and Repeat Day. I check what sold, what got clicked, what got saves, and what flopped. Then I decide what to make more of, what to tweak, what to stop wasting time on. Weekends were 1 to 2 focused pockets, not all day grinding. Usually one focused block during my son's nap time or early morning. But here's the key. I didn't try to do everything every day. I rotated to focus. That's how you build without frying your brain. Now let's do the mistakes because I made them so you don't have to. And I say this with love. Most people don't fail because they aren't smart. They fail because they're trying to do this the hardest possible way. Mistake number 1, trying to be everywhere at once. I thought I needed to launch on every platform immediately. And that sounds ambitious, but it's actually a fast track to scattered energy and feeling like you're doing everything badly. What I should have done and what I recommend now is pick one platform and one product type until you have momentum. Then you can expand. Growth loves focus. Burnout loves chaos. Mistake number 2, overbuilding instead of listing. Oh my goodness, I spent way too long perfecting products that weren't even listed yet. I tweak fonts, adjust layouts, rewrite prompts. Meanwhile, the cash register was like, hello, we need listings. Real talk, a product can't sell if it isn't published. So now my reel is done and listed beats perfect and hidden. Mistake number 3, relying on willpower for marketing. I used to think promotion meant be online consistently. Post every day, stay relevant, and that's fine until you have a life. So I built systems instead. Now tools like MiniChat and Go High Level help me capture leads and follow up automatically. And Make runs automations behind the scenes, and Opus Clip helps content creation move way faster because willpower runs out. Systems don't. And once I started thinking like a systems builder instead of a content hamster on a wheel, my income grew and my stress dropped, which is kind of the whole point. So proof this works for normal people. And I want you to hear this loud and clear. I'm not the only one. I've helped several others quit their full-time jobs and start their own digital product businesses too. Some are even hitting 5 figures a month. Not because they were special, but because they followed a process. You pick what to sell, use AI to create efficiently, list consistently, Build a system to bring in traffic and leads. Keep stacking products like bricks, that's it. And once you have momentum, it starts to feel less like pushing a boulder uphill and more like steering something that's already moving. Okay, Becky, but how do I start? If you're brand new, here's the simplest way I start. Like if I were you and I were texting and you asked, Becky, what should I do first? Well, number one is I pick a buyer and a problem. Who are you helping and what do they need? Number two is choose one product type. Don't do 17 things, just pick one like a workbook, a planner, journal, templates, clip art. Number three, use AI to create a first draft. Then you edit, personalize, and make it yours. Number four is list it in one place like Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, your store. Pick one to start. Number five is repeat weekly, tiny steps, consistent output, compounding catalog. And as you build, you add systems so you're not doing everything manually forever, because the goal isn't work harder, the goal is build smarter. So let me tell you about my free live workshop coming up. If you want me to walk you through this live step by step, I'm hosting a free live workshop on Thursday, February 19th at 1 p.m. Central Time. It's all about getting started creating digital products with AI without overwhelm, without perfectionism, and without burning out. You can go register now at beckybeach.co/all-AI workshop. And here's the best part. Everyone who registers gets 2 free digital products by email, plus the free replay. So even if you can't make it live, friend, still sign up. You'll still get the freebies. You can watch this when live calms down a little. Again, the link is beckybeach.co/all-AI workshop. Now let me leave you with this. You don't need to be ahead. You don't need a giant audience. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start stacking. Be a creator, not a consumer. You can do this. If you want my help building your AI systems powered digital product machine, you can go to beckybeach.co/all-AI workshop. I'll see you there. Well, have a great day. Goodbye. For listening to The Becky Beach Show, please check out the show notes at beckybeachshow.com and my membership, businessbeachclub.com, to start and scale your own digital product business. Have a great day. See you next time on The Becky Beach Show.